hit golf balls while people are on.
Okay, I just want.
Put the club back in the bucket. All right, y'all, let's get back over here. I gotta get Mom a Coke or water.
Get down to the second layer of lemon. Until they pass, I'm gonna explore the boat and get it on video.
What, baby?
Never mind. A kind of a pan grill. This looks like the main bridge and steering system.
Mommy, can I go back?
That's the glass. Okay, and frisbee. Just caught it and it's wet. And I just do it fast style.
What are you doing? How are you?
We just offer $1 million to change and see what's.
Hey, Ford.
Hey,
Ford wants to change.
Ford, your head job?
I'm thinking about it still.
Head job?
Yeah, yes sir, I got him on video actually. Still pretty.
You got the eyeball.
And I think this is the secondary bridge or something. The main deck. And I figured out what that smell was. It's fish. I hate fish. Except for sharks and some freshwater fish players. Until those people in the paddle boats pass.
I still want to.
Never mind. I was gonna say until they pass. We can't golf. But now I'm gonna continue.
There's no such thing as an accident with golf club. I don't care what. If somebody's coming in a boat, accident in scenery, no accidents, okay?
And I hope you didn't hear that.